Started? Okay, hello everyone, welcome to, hello, nice to meet you all. I see a lot of returning crowd, a few new faces. Okay, welcome, we are just introducing myself again. We are Vidushak, we are USC's only Indian improv troupe. Okay, let's keep it there. Okay, so what we do is improvised theatre. Now this is a little different from, if you don't know what improv is, it's a little different from the normal theatre you see. Theatre in general is scripted, the actors read the script and then they deliver dialogues on stage, right? Improv theatre is a little different from that, as in there's no script. Actors come in on the stage and they perform the scenes on the fly. We take suggestions from the audience and then the scenes are built just based on those suggestions, right? Okay, so this is actually the first show for this semester. This is our season 14, I think. Okay, so now because in improv, you build the scenes on the fly, right? And we use your suggestions. That's why getting suggestions from the audience is very important. You need to be very active. So I'll ask for random questions in between. Tell me what you will find inside a black hole. And you can come up with as creative answers as you want. You could say basketball. Oh no, I'll find, I don't know, baby teeth then. Whatever you want, right? And the more weird the suggestions come out to be, the more fun the scenes become. Okay, so because suggestions from the audience is such an important aspect of this, so initially before we start off, let's play some warm-up games, okay? I'll ask you questions, okay? And tell me the first thing that comes to your mind when I say this, okay? Tell me first thing that comes to your mind when I say Donald Trump.
Ball.
Hair.
Hair.
Ball.
Ball. Good.
No, I didn't mean that.
Okay. Okay. Let's go next. USC. Ice cream.
Football.
Football.
Money.
Money. Good point. Okay. Skateboard.
Me.
Ball.
Sorry.
Me.
Okay.
Chihuahua.
Chihuahua. See, weird suggestions. As weird suggestions as you can. Let's go on to some Indian names. Tell me the first thing that comes to your mind when I say Amir Khan.
Bhargavi. Bhargavi.
Okay.
Vishnu.
Okay. Okay, so you get the hang of this, right? In the middle of the scenes, I'll ask you for suggestions like tell me something that you will find on a beach. And you don't have to say, oh, volleyball or a crab or something like that.
Large Hadron Collider.
You could say Large Hadron Collider. You could say, okay, I will find, I don't know, a lightsaber.
A dinosaur.
Okay, a dinosaur. Whatever you want, right? Okay, so this is the first part of it. Hi, please take a seat.
Is this the position?
Yes, yes. We're just about to start. Hello, please.
So, I'll give it to
Okay. Okay, so this is the first part of it where we need suggestions from you. Okay, now we also need you guys to be active and quick in giving these responses, right? So we'll play a warm-up game, right? Now we shall clap slowly from 1 to 10, and as I keep counting from 1 to 10, the intensity of the claps will increase, right? Okay, let's go for 1. Slow clap. 3. 5. 7. 9. And 10. This is Vidushak. Okay, so people, your boundary. So this is the front line, and so you're allowed to put your right foot here. You're allowed to put your left foot here, right? Don't go beyond that. Okay. So this is our gang, and the first game we are going to play tonight is a game called Questions Only, for which split into 2 halves. You can decide where you want to go. Okay, so this is a game that has 2 teams. They are competing with each other. So this is a game in which 2 people will come in and they'll perform a scene for you. But there is a catch. They cannot just speak whatever they want. They have to speak only in questions. No statements are allowed, right? And if someone in the middle of the scene utters any statement, you get to beep them out. For example, if I say, "Mera baap chor hai," you go, beep, okay? And so then that guy goes back and someone from his team comes and replaces him, and then the new scene starts. But all throughout they have to speak only in questions. Simple enough? Okay, to start them off, we need a suggestion. Tell me something that you will find inside a library.
Cow.
comes your suggestion, Vidushak. Are you ready?
अरे हमारी गाय किधर गई? अरे कभी हमारी तरफ भी देखा है? अरे तुम दिखती कहाँ हो आजकल?
Beep.
Why did you leave me?
Why don't you love me?
Volume.
Why did you come back?
I don't know.
Beep. Louder.
भाया जी, मूवी कितने बजे स्टार्ट हो रही है?
टाइम देख के नहीं आई थी क्या?
आप मुझे उल्टे सिल्टे सवाल क्यों पूछते रहते हैं?
टिकट क्यों नहीं खरीदी?
यहाँ टिकट लेके आना होता है क्या?
बिना टिकट अलाउड नहीं है मूवी।
Beep.
मम्मा मेरी चॉकलेट कब आएगी? कितनी बार बोला है, चॉकलेट नहीं खाना होता है।
Beep.
सीता, क्यों चलती है पवन?
क्यों झूमे है गगन?
क्यों तू ऐसी प्रश्न पूछती है?
क्यों आप उस प्रश्न का जवाब नहीं देते?
क्यों तुम इस जंगल में मेरी दिमाग खा रही हो?
क्यों आप मुझे अपने साथ इस जंगल में लेके आए?
क्यों तुम रावण के साथ चल नहीं जाते?
नहीं।
And let's see. Okay, that was our first game called Questions Only, जिसमें हाँ, very nice. क्यों चलती है पवन, क्यों झूमे गगन, मैं सोचा पूरा गाना कंटिन्यू होने वाला। Thank you for stopping at that point. Okay, the next room. Hello, welcome. Please take a seat. Okay, yeah. Okay, the next game we are going to play is a game called Left Tab. जिसके लिए let's have 4 Vidushaks on stage, please. 4 people. Very good. Form a square. Okay, this is the game of Left Tab. So this is similar to watching a news channel, right? So, watching watching a television, right? So this is a channel going on. The two people are performing a scene for you, right? And I have the remote. At any point, I can call Left Tab, and the channel flips. You see a new channel. I call Left Tab again. New channel. Left Tab. A 4th channel. Left Tab. And then we come back to the same channel basically. And then the initial scene that you saw on this channel would be continuing at some future time instead, right? Okay. So because there are 4 channels, for each of these scenes we need 4 suggestions. Suggestions are to start them off. They don't necessarily need to use them. Okay. For these 2 people, tell me as a suggestion, tell me something that you will find in a space shuttle.
गोभी का फूल।
Yeah.
Cauliflower. Left tab. For these 2, tell me something you will find inside a kitchen.
Avocado.
Avocado. Anything else? Cockroach. Left tab. For these 2, tell me something that you will find underwater.
Pokemon.
Pokemon. Okay, left tab. For these 2, tell me something that you will find in a lady's purse.
छोटा भी।
Chota Beam is your no, okay, I won't suggestion.
Blowfish.
Sorry?
Blowfish.
Anything else? Blowfish is your suggestion, Vidushaks.
See, like something.
Left.
I said gun.
नहीं ठीक है. Left tab. What is your suggestion?
Cauliflower.
Left tab.
Cockroach.
Left tab 1.
Pokemon.
Left tab 1. Blowfish.
Blowfish.
Blowfish. Left tab 1. Okay, we'll start off from these guys. Vidushaks, are you ready?
Yes.
Let's start them with a round of applause.
सुब्रमण्यम, ये देखो, ये है जेनेटिकली मॉडिफाइड कॉलीफ्लावर।
I can see, Mr. Iyer. This is genetically modified cauliflower.
Left tab.
डीजे वाले बाबू, क्या हालत हो गई है तुम्हारी? कुछ लेते क्यों नहीं?
क्योंकि मैं रात को ही लेता हूँ, दिन में नहीं।
Left tab.
दो नैना मतवारे हम पे जुल्म करे।
तो इतनी बारिश में आप ऐसे गाने गाएंगे?
तैयार होगा ना?
Left tab.
पापा, मम्मी को 2 दिन हो गए हैं, अभी तक घर नहीं आई मम्मी।
तुम इतना डिस्टर्ब करती हो मम्मी को, घर क्यों आएगी वो?
मैं डिस्टर्ब करती हूँ कि आप डिस्टर्ब करते हैं पापा?
Left tab.
मिस्टर अय्यर,
You got the GMO cauliflower and then you are getting a GMO baby. This is not what I am expecting out of your research.
But I have greater intentions for the world. I want to mix the DNA of baby and a cauliflower so that it has hands and legs.
Left tab.
पीछे वाले बाबू पोहा बना दो, कुछ नहीं बचा है अब, प्लीज।
अरे पोहा क्या है, मैं अभी पी रहा हूँ, पोहा बाद में खाऊंगा, तुमको भी खिलाऊंगा,
Left tab.
ठीक है?
दो बच्चे मतवारे हम पे जुल्म करे। सुसु कर देता है ये।
हाँ, क्या करें अब, आप ऐसे गाने गाते हैं तो कुछ हो जाता है, अब क्या करें।
Left tab.
पापा, मम्मी को 20 साल हो गए, अभी तक नहीं आई है मम्मी।
पता है कहाँ गई है? तुम्हारे लिए लड़का ढूंढने।
पापा, मेरी अभी उम्र ही क्या हुई है।
Left tab.
Professor, can you see the little baby? That is your baby.
What? You stole my DNA?
Yes, and it has a flower on it.
And that's a Z. Okay, that was the game of Left tab. Okay, next game we are going to play is another interesting game called ABC Genre, for which let's have 2 Vidushaks on stage, please. Aye. Okay. So as the name goes, there are 2 people and the game's name is ABC Genre. So initially they'll perform a scene for you. This is a free scene. We'll take a suggestion and they perform something, right? At the end of it, I'll call pause, right? And then you have to repeat the same scene, or rather the same structure. The same milestones have to be repeated in a different genre. So it could be a different genre of a movie. For example, you can say, I want to see the same scene in romance, or same scene in horror, or mythology, history, religious, right? Okay, to start them off, we need a suggestion. Tell me something that you will find inside in a forest.
Lexus G3 series.
Lexus G3 series. Anything else? Anyone beating that?
Honey bunch oats.
Honey?
Honey bunches of oats.
Honey bunch oats. Okay. Oats. Anything else? Anything interesting, weird?
Laser.
Laser.
Wireless charger.
Wireless charger. Okay, wireless charger for what? Okay, let's just take wireless charger. Vidushaks, are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready? Okay, let's start with a round of applause.
बाल गणेश, तुम्हारे लिए एडमिशन लेटर आया है MIT से।
उन्होंने मेरा मोदक का PhD रिसर्च एक्सेप्ट कर लिया।
हाँ, मणिपाल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी वालों हमारा रिसर्च एक्सेप्ट कर लिया।
ओह अच्छा, अब मैं मोदक बनाने का पेटेंट करूंगा।
बहुत अच्छी बात है। और उसके साथ उन लोगों ने कुछ और भी भेजा है।
ओह
रुको, ये है दूसरा एडमिशन लेटर। ये उनके फिजिकल एजुकेशन डिपार्टमेंट में भेजा है।
उनको तो मुझे डंबेल सबमिट करने हैं, रुको मैं लेके आता हूँ।
अति उत्तम पुत्र, अब तुम इस डंबेल और अपने मोदक के साथ MIT चली जाओ.
And pause. Okay, same scene we want to see in a different genre. Suggestions for genres. War, romance.
I want it hot.
Superhero.
Sorry?
Hot romance.
Hot romance. Okay. But, you know, I'm giving you out all these suggestions. Okay. It can be romance, war, mythology, history, sci-fi,
Superhero.
action, bhakti, religious. Right?
Casey.
So romance.
Casey. Romance.
Romance. Okay, let's see some romance.
रामू,
जी मालकिन.
कल तुम्हारी पत्नी ने मुझे एक मैसेज भेजा था.
अरे वाह.
और वो कहती है, मेरा रामू रोज इतनी देर से घर क्यों आता है?
तो उसने मान लिया जो मैंने उसे कल कहा था. वाह, यही तो मैं चाहता था.
रुको, उसने कुछ और भी भेजा है. ये लो, और एक पत्र.
अरे वाह, डिवोर्स पेपर्स. इस पे तो मुझे साइन करने हैं अपने स्पेशल पेन से. रुको, मैं लेके आता हूँ. पहले तुम अपने हाथ लगा लो इस पे, फिर करेंगे साइन.
रामू, मैं तुम्हारी मालकिन जरूर हूँ, पर तुम्हारे जीवन की इतना इम्पोर्टेंट डिसीजन पे मेरा कोई हक नहीं है. फिर भी कर लो.
And pause. Okay, same scene we want to see in a third genre. War, horror, mythology, history, sci-fi,
Can I do
superhero.
musical? Musical.
Musical, no, musical's difficult. Mythology. I like mythology. Okay, yeah, first scene was mythology, yes. Sorry?
Item song.
History, sci-fi, religious.
Item song.
Horror. Let's see horror. Okay.
मिस्टर भूत वाले बाबू,
जी मालकिन.
हमें बॉस से एक संदेश आया है.
अरे वाह, ये तो कल वहाँ जिसका पुनर्जन्म होने वाला है उसको भस्म करने का प्रपोजल मेरा एक्सेप्ट हो गया. वाह.
भूत वाले बाबू, पहली बार कुछ एक्सेप्ट हुआ है, इसलिए तुम इतनी खुश हो. रुको, मैं कुछ और भी आया है, लेके आती हूँ. ये है उसी बॉस से रिजेक्शन लेटर.
रिजेक्शन. अरे मुझे लगता है इसमें एक जड़ी बूटी मिसिंग है. रुको, मैं लेके आता हूँ. ये जड़ी बूटी में इसमें डालना भूल गया था. अब डालेंगे वो भस्म हो जाएगा.
बहुत ही इनोवेटिव आइडिया है भूत वाले बाबू. चलो डाल देते हैं इसमें.
And that's the scene. Okay. So that was 3 games. We have a total of 6 games. For the rest of the direction, I will pass the baton to the other director of Vidushak, Satya. Please.
Hello and welcome. I'm the second director. So I'll continue with the rest of 3 games. The first of that is Endowment. For that we have 2 Vidusaks on stage. Okay, so let me explain the game. So Endowment is a game where one Vidusak will make other Vidusak do some action with some object. Okay, through miming. So basically we will be sending one of the Vidusak out and we'll ask a suggestion from you what kind of action that needs to be get done and with what, right? For example, eating sand, right? So it's a weird action that the other one Vidusak has to guess the other Vidusak, right? Make him or her do. And the catch is he or she cannot tell the word exactly, right? And the scene will go as usual, and by the end of it, the other Vidusak has to get that action done, right? Clear? So who do you want to send out?
Vidusha 1, 2.
Vidusak 1 or 2? 2. What for 2? Hiteshi, go far away. Okay. So for the action, tell me something which you will do on beachside area.
Let a dog lick her.
What?
Have a dog lick her.
Have a dog licker.
Yeah.
Lick her.
Oh, have a dog lick her.
That's something, so we want something unorthodox that generally doesn't happen.
Just like she maybe in her mouth.
Smooch a dog.
Yeah, dog
French
kissing.
kiss a dog.
Yeah.
French kiss.
With something
French
else.
kiss. So
But,
the kissing
not
is
with a
the
dog.
action, right?
Not a dog? Okay, well I like your eating sand suggestion as well.
No, that's already done. So it's kind of old.
Juggle a dog.
Juggle a dog.
Juggle a dog.
What about like getting all his fleas out?
Okay. So you have to make her do juggle a dog, right?
Juggle a dog.
Okay.
Juggle with 3 dogs.
Juggle with 3 dogs.
Okay. More precise.
Okay. Okay. So the object and action is clear, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Juggle 3 dogs.
On a count of 3, we'll call Hiteshi. Okay.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Hiteshi! Come here. Okay, Vidushats, are you ready?
Yes.
Let's start them off.
Madam, welcome to our magical school.
अरे क्या बात कर रहा सर, मैं तो कब से इंतजार कर रही थी यहाँ इतने सारे मैजिक शोज देखने।
Yes, we read your resume. It was very beautiful. You have done a lot of work. I mean, you have a lot of hobbies. How do you manage all of these together?
अरे सब हो जाता है। देखो मैंने क्या क्या किया है।
Yes.
मैंने सर्कस में लोगों को घुमाया है।
Yes, circus, good. Yeah, what did you do in the circus?
सर्कस में बहुत सारे काम किए हैं, जैसे शेर को, जैसे मैं रिंग मास्टर थी, और मैंने
No, madam. You cannot be a ringmaster because here I am the ringmaster. You cannot take my position. You need a lower position.
हाँ तो बता रहे हैं ना।
Yes. Do you have experience with cricket, tennis, anything to do with balls?
हाँ देखो, हमने किया था। वो हम क्या करते हैं, 3 बॉलों को लेते हैं और जगलिंग करते हैं।
3 balls. Very good idea. Let's go into the circus. Inside the circus tent. Madam, you see 3. We don't have balls. We like to play with something more dangerous. 3 light bulbs. Juggle them.
3 light bulbs.
Yes.
Ouch.
Okay, I don't see this isn't fun. We need something more dangerous. Something, it should become a play of life and death. Not only for you.
अरे मैंने वो भी मोटरसाइकिल भी चलाई है सर्कस में और कार भी चलाई है।
Madam, good plan. We will make you sit on a motorcycle, but you definitely have to juggle 3 things on top of that. Okay? We'll get your motorcycle, but we need to juggle something else. Light bulbs isn't working out. Light bulbs is too simple. If only we had some other elephants. That's a good idea. Yo, 3 of them are there. Juggle them.
पक्की बात है?
No. Girl, they're too big for you. People can't see your face. We've recruited you for your beautiful face. We need something smaller. What can we find?
हाँ.
Something smaller.
स्मॉलर हम कर सकते हैं, चूहा।
That's too small.
अच्छा
चूहे आएंगे तो then people will circus का A rating चला जाएगा.
ये बात भी सही है. Pigs करें pigs.
Pigs. No. Pigs is a bad idea. Pigs are also dirty animals.
लेकिन तुम
No.
पहले
We
ये-
need something domestic, something that और-
मुझे कुत्ते बहुत पसंद है हमेशा से.
yes, good plan. But what kind of dog breed do you like? Anything is fine. Any specific choice that you like?
ऐसा कुछ नहीं but हाँ.
Chihuahuas. Let's go with Chihuahuas. Ooh, feisty. This is the third one. You juggle and then I'll pass on this one.
Okay.
And that's a scene! Alright, so she tried the elephant though, right? And pigs were too dirty though. Okay, for the next game we are going to play is News Report. For that we will have 3 Vidyusaks on stage. Jump in. So let me explain this game. So basically you're gonna see very hot recent news, and we will have the anchor and 2 guests as you see in the studio, right? And there will be conversation going on. So for the latest news, tell me anything from Bollywood or Hollywood.
Or Hollywood.
Yeah,
I don't watch those.
any latest, you know, something.
Oh, Kanye West running for president.
Who?
Kanye West running for president.
Kanye West running for
He announced that he's going to run.
Okay. So
That's the only thing I
Yeah.
can think of.
so I don't know the name. Can you-
Kanye West.
Kanye West. Kanye West is gonna announce or has announced
Yes.
he's running for the president. Okay. So that's the hottest news.
Yes.
And you're gonna portray that, right?
Yes.
Okay. So let's start them off with a round of applause.
Good morning and welcome to my show, News at 9 on NDTV 48/7. Tonight we are here to discuss a very important topic, a topic that is shaking our nation. Not only our nation, it is shaking the world. Mr. Kanye West wants to be the president of United States. Today we will discuss whether this is a good decision or whether he should contend for the Prime Ministership of India. For discussion, we have on this side Mr. Narendra Modi. Welcome, sir. Welcome to my show. And on that side, we have Miss Kim Kardashian, who wants to speak about this topic as well. Welcome to my show, madam. You look very beautiful.
I always look very beautiful, okay? You do not have to comment about that. I know that. Okay?
Yes.
Millions of people know this fact.
Yes.
Madam Ji, selfie. Thank you.
Excuse me, sir.
Twitter, 1 minute.
This is going to beat all the tweets, you know. I'm telling you.
By or
Narendra
Beno,
Modi and Kim.
May or Kim.
Excuse me, sir. This is my show. You have to allow me to speak first. Okay. We are here to discuss very important topic. Mr. Kanye West is standing for presidency. I want to know, the nation wants to know why you are not standing for a presidentship of USA.
देखिए, मैं तो ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि हम भारत में खुश हैं। भारत में हम खुश हैं, लेकिन हम ये किम करदाशियन से बोलते हैं कि कम मेक इन इंडिया, कम
Breaking news, my dear friends. Mr. Narendra Modi wants Kim Kardashian to come to India and make babies in India.
Definitely.
Like, what is this, you know? He's going on Make India, Make in India, Make in. He cannot just comment on my body like that. I have to keep up with my body. If I start making babies, that too in India, which already has a lot of babies, like, I just cannot do this. No. No, this is not taken in a good sense, okay, Mr. Narendra Modi.
It is okay, madam. It is okay. But my next question is to you. So Mr. Kanye West wants to stand for presidentship. Then you will become the first lady and he will not be able to give you enough time. Are you okay with this fact?
Who tells he will not be able to give enough time to me? You think that what he is going to do as president will not happen otherwise also? I'm the first lady. No one comes first. before me in front of Kanye West. Okay.
देखिए मैडम जी, अगर कान्या वेस्ट आपको टाइम नहीं देता है तो मुझे कॉल कीजिए या फेसबुक पे पोस्ट डालिए या ट्विटर पे मैसेज कीजिए। हमारे बहुत सारे फॉलोअर्स हैं, कोई ना कोई आपको मिल जाता है।
Oh my God, is he waiting to be like? Is he a bachelor?
Breaking news, my dear friends. Mr. Narendra Modi is a pimp. He is setting up with Miss Kim Kardashian. Maybe that is why he hasn't married till now. In any case,
देखिए आप बहुत ज़्यादा बोल रहे हैं। हम आरएसएस भक्त बीएचपी संघी सभी मोदी भक्त को बुलाएंगे और आपके चैनल के ऊपर केस डालेंगे।
No, Mr. Modi. You think I don't have followers? So many people have followers. If you bring RSS followers, I will bring my followers. They will shout and people will run away. They shout like me. In any case, okay. Next topic of discussion. Let us say Mr. Kanye West stands for president and he becomes president.
Yes, he is definitely going to become.
Yes.
There is no if there.
Okay. Let us say he has become president.
Yes.
Okay. So what will be your first step as first lady?
Well, there is.
Will you build a wall like Mr. Donald Trump?
No, why I have to build a wall like Mr. Donald Trump? I just have to build lots of butts like mine, not like Mr. Donald Trump wall. I don't care about
Breaking
the
news,
wall.
my dear friends. Miss Kim Kardashian wants to build a wall of butts between Mexico and USA.
देखिए मैं ये बोलना चाहता हूँ कि इस औरत ने
Lady, I'm a lady. What the aurat is saying?
हाँ पहली औरत है
Yes.
ये डोनाल्ड ट्रंप से पैसे लेकर इसकी जो वॉल ऑफ बट्स बना रही है, हम इस बट को तोड़ेंगे। इस वॉल ऑफ बट्स को तोड़ेंगे। ये वॉल हमें नहीं चाहिए, ये बट हमें नहीं चाहिए।
No, Mr. Modi. Why you don't want this butt? Such a beautiful butt. Why you don't want this butt?
अरे देखिए, ये बट मुझे नहीं चाहिए। ये इनका फैंस का कुछ इंडिया में वैसा अलाउड नहीं है, संस्कारी नहीं है।
Breaking news, my dear friends. Mr. Narendra Modi claims that the first
He's
lady
not
of
the
USA.
best butt. That's
Yes.
what he's claiming.
No, don't put words into my mouth. Yes, okay, we have a caller. Hello.
Hello. I'm Adam. I'm 4 years old. I want to go on date with Kim Kardashian. Does she have a date?
No, Mr. Adam, you are in line. I am first. Okay, but because let us address the elephant in the room. Let us address the elephant in the room. Miss Kardashian, your husband is going to be very busy when he becomes president. Leave Mr. Adam. Will you go out with me on a date?
Well, it all depends on you, Arnab. If you shut your mouth, I will definitely.
Yes, there is a lot of other things we can do. I don't necessarily have to open my mouth. Okay, my dear friends, if you think me going out on a date with Miss Kardashian is a good idea, please SMS yes to 4625. If you think it is a bad idea, then please don't send us a message. And next time, we will definitely bring you a breaking news about mine and Miss Kardashian's baby. Meet us the next time, same place. Till then, good night, Shabakir and Shubhratri.
All right, a lot of things happened in this report. There was a wall of butt. Anyway, so we move to our next game, which is called DVD Playback. So we will have all the Vidusaks on stage. So basically we are going to see a movie, which I will be taking as a suggestion from you. And the remote is in my hand. So this is as go in general that how do you watch a DVD, like DVD movie, right? So you can fast forward it, you can slow motion, there will be songs, there will be director's cut. All the materials that you can think of will be there, okay? Like there will be change of languages also, right? So all the interesting part. So for that movie, give me any recent movie from Bollywood or Hollywood. Which you
Bajirao
want to watch.
Mastani.
Which one?
Bajirao Mastani.
Bajirao Mastani. Any other suggestion? Interstellar.
We can make up names, right?
Yeah, we'll make up the name. Yeah, we'll make up the name. What?
ABCD 2.
Chudal ka sasural. I like actually Interstellar. Okay.
Interstellar क्या
So
है?
Interstellar को अगर हिंदी में बनाएंगे तो क्या होगा?
अंतरिक्ष की कहानी.
अंतरिक्ष की कहानी.
अंतरिक्ष के बीच.
अंतरिक्ष के बीच.
बीचों बीच.
अंतरिक्ष के बीच. And let's have a tagline for this particular movie. अंतरिक्ष के बीच चल रहा प्यार.
तुम और हम.
तुम और हम.
हम
Any suggestion? अंतरिक्ष के बीच.
What Daddy didn't know.
Oh. What Daddy didn't know. Okay. So अंतरिक्ष के बीच. What Daddy didn't know. Okay. That's the movie and the tagline. Okay. Clear the stage. And let's see the trailer first. Okay. So let's have the trailer.
Many years ago, in a galaxy far, far away, there was a lady. She was very beautiful, but unfortunately, she couldn't find anyone to love her. And then came one charming old man. They fell in love, and they had a small daughter. Now, the old man is going to die, unfortunately, because of his age. Will the daughter and mother be able to save the old man? Or not? And in this whole story, why is there a chipmunk? जानने के लिए देखिए अंतरिक्ष के बीच What Daddy didn't know आपके नजदीकी सिनेमाघरों में.
Okay, scene 1.
Oh leader, when will you tell me that I will get the man of my dreams? I've been waiting for so long, so long.
So have I, but you have friend-zoned me. In any case, I have given the words to your mom. I will find you a groom.
What am I supposed to do with this whole situation? I have to find a groom as soon as possible.
There is only one solution for this.
Scene 2.
My dear charming old man, after a long lost time I have found you.
It has been a very long time. I don't remember seeing you. You are reader?
Leader, la.
Oh, sorry, no teeth.
I have a proposal for you.
I agree.
Not me, but I have a girl who's of suitable age. Would you like to marry?
Change to Kannada.
ನೋಡಪ್ಪ ನಾನು ಯಾವುದೇ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಜೊತೆ ಆದ್ರೂ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಬಂದ್ಬಿಡು ಹುಡುಗಿನ
ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಎನ್ನೆ ಸಾಬರ್ತಿಗಿದೆ
ನೀನು ಕರ್ಕೊಂಬಂದು
Change to English.
you bring her and I will start living my young age again and again every day.
But I made her mom a promise. She needs to have kids. I don't see you living very long, so you should get on with it as soon as possible.
Both are patient. Oh, my friend from India. How? That leader told me that I'll get married to this old man. How will I bear babies then, my friend?
अरे तो मन्ने के कमीज है मेरा मुझसे कर ले शादी तू अब और लाइन लगा दे बच्चे की.
That is so nice of you. I am in love with you, but the problem is that I will marry him. I hope you will not mind.
Scene 5.
Yamini or Hiteshi. You want to marry that lady? I cannot allow this to happen.
अरे प्लान बनाया से लेकर जाएंगे
Slow motion.
हरियाणा के जाट खाड़ी हाथ नहीं जाते.
If you do,
Oh my baby, come to me. I love
But you know what? I would tell you this. That तुम्हारे daddy is not your daddy. क्या? Mommy? क्या? Yes. Yes, that is true. तुम्हारे daddy इंडिया में बैठे. And that is why मुझे थोड़ा हिंदी भी आने लग गया है. आपने मुझे पहले क्यों नहीं बताया? मैं सोची कि मेरी दादी पिछले साल मर गई. उनकी याद में मैं इतना रोई. हमें पता चला कि
Song!
वो जिंदा है.
Song!
नहीं ये हो नहीं सकता कि तेरी याद ना आए.
तुझे भूलने से पहले मेरी जान चली जाए.
Okay, back to normal.
It's okay. But मैं तुम्हें इसी जन्म में तुम्हारे असली पापा से मिलाऊंगी. Do not worry. ठीक है मम्मी. I'm so happy Daddy is back again. Yes.
Scene 7.
देखो बेटी, I am coming from space.
Oh Daddy! Number
I-
one.
I was dead 2 years back, and you are seeing a ghost of mine. You know what? I and your mother were intense lovers, and you are the product. You know what? It brings me great pleasure to introduce you to your actual mother.
Fast forwards. Back to normal.
No, there are 3 mummies you have.
Louder, louder, louder.
There are 3 mummies. One is in India, one is in outer space, and one is a chipmunk. You have to realize that you are not born from a human. One chipmunk helped you get out of 2 mummies.
And the daddy thinks no.
No, because that was me. I got to realize it now. Nice to meet you.
Abhilash stay. Mr. Charming old dead man. How did you allow this to happen? This is against our rituals. Girl cannot have 2 moms. She is blocking 2 ladies. No one else can get married to one of the 2 ladies now.
I agree. I agree with you. But there are so many little men and so many more ladies.
Scene 9.
Leader, you promised me that that baby would be just mine. You broke your promise, leader.
Yes. Unfortunately, I had to. You had friends on me. I had no other options.
Just because I friend-zoned you, you actually took the revenge on me. Not only on me, but my little daughter. She has 3 mamas.
You think only you have needs? You think I didn't deserve or I didn't desire a kid? I wanted a kid. But I couldn't take you. You had friends on me.
Friend-zone and friend-zone. When will you get over this friend-zone thing? Did I ever stop you from becoming my friend, apart from friend? More than a friend?
Yes.
Huh?
You did. You don't know about it.
The climax scene.
Hiteshi and Yamini and Abhilash.
Leader. 3 mothers and 2 fathers. How is that even possible, leader? I just cannot comprehend this whole problem. My poor little daughter, how is she going to tell the future husband she's gonna meet how many mothers and how many fathers she has? This is going to be a big trouble, leader.
Don't worry. She won't have to tell anyone about this. because I will find her husband. The ghost of this old man shall marry again.
And that's a scene! So that was the Interstellar. The old man came to the earth after being dead on that particular planet, right? So let's have all the Vidyusaks on stage. This is our show, and we'll introduce one by one. This is Abhilash, this is Ekans, Yamini, Kiran, Hiteshi, and Vishnu, and myself Satya. So let's have a round of applause for them. So we do generally a show in a month on Fridays at 6 o'clock. And be updated with us on Facebook. Just search for USC Vidushak, and you can just subscribe to that particular page so that you can be updated with the events. And we have our YouTube channel also. You can watch our previous shows. And we do the Diwali show also. That's one scripted play that we do. And just if you're interested in joining, just chat with us and then mingle with us, and then you can just get updated with us, right? So just join us. Thank you for it. We hope to see you next time too.
Thank you.
कहाँ पे है?